Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're going to be doing some real good bacon wrapped brats. Oof. Let's fire up the Traeger. Alright, we got here some Johnsonville's Italian sausage hot brats. And we got Kirkland bacon. MVP of today's video is going to be the Traeger rub, garlic and chili powder. So, I'm going to do one on camera, the rest will be done off the camera. What we're going to do today is wrap this. If I can get this out. There we go. So, just give it a nice. And I think you can use 2 bacons per brat. This is a thin slice bacon. And just like that. Like that. You know what? It's a quick process. So let's go ahead and do the other one. Bam, bam. Just like that. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to add Traeger rub. Now, if you guys have not ever put any rub on your brats, I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Like that, all around the brat and the bacon. This will give it that added flavor. So there you go. We're going to do 2 today because it's pretty much one for me and maybe my wife. So alright, so we're going to put the Traeger at 250 degrees. We're going to leave it there. I'm just guessing because I've always done it at 350 or 300. But I want to get more smoke flavor on these. So I'm going to do them at 250 degrees. And we're just going to check the temp. Internal temp that we're going for is 160 for them to come out of the Traeger. So if I had to guess, maybe an hour. So we'll keep an eye on it and then we'll make sure we write down our things we do today. So let's fire up the Traeger and get it going. Alright, now that our Traeger is up to 250 degrees, and sometimes, like I said, it goes up, it goes down 10 degrees. It's right where we need it to. So we're going to put these down. I'm gonna check on these bad boys for in a half hour just to see where they're at, and then we'll go from there. So we'll be right back. Alright, seems like it's gonna be just around 30 minutes. There we go, 30 minutes. Seems like the internal temp is at 130. 30 minutes. So it's looking pretty good. I would say once the internal temp gets to 150, I think we're gonna raise the temperature to 300. So here, so a lot of people ask, what pellets do I use? And I used to use, I bought them all, hickory, what's some other ones, apple, uh, all the other ones I bought them, signature blend from Ace or some store that we have here. And then I went to Costco and I found this gourmet blend. So I know there's some of you out there that don't know the difference on the pellets, by which is which, the taste, taste no difference. I'm kind of in the same boat. This one is the gourmet blend that I bought at Costco. It's 20 bucks, and it's a 33 pound that I bought at Costco. Now the beauty of this Costco one, because none of the other ones have it, is the Ziploc up here, so you can close it. So I think I bought it for 20 bucks on sale. So that's really great. Like I said, it's a premium blend, hardwood pellets, and it has great flavor. It's a blend of maple, hickory, and cherry. So, and I bought the maple one, I bought the hickory, and I bought the cherry before. And like I said, there was no big difference. I was like, oh yeah, this is the best. But this one I do like, so I just kept with this. I normally buy two when I go there, so this is my last one. So next time I go there, I buy another one, or I buy two more. And if they're on sale, then I buy more. But 20 bucks for this 33 pound gourmet blend. It's a great deal. And this is an added bonus. I love this little zipper right here that just opens it, grab it, close it. So, gourmet blend from Costco. So it's been 15 minutes now, and we're at 150 internal temp. Now it's time to raise the temp up to 300 degrees so we can get that bacon crisp. All right, our 15-minute mark, and so that equals 1 hour total time. And they look like they're ready. They're perfect. So I'm gonna take this out, and then we're gonna do some building here real quick. So before we start, let's do a quick recap of what we did today. So here's our finished product. The buns are a little toasted, but I put them in the Traeger for the last few minutes. So it looks, and with that Traeger rub, oh man. If you guys haven't tried the Traeger rub is really good. So we're just going to put a little bit of mayo, a little bit of relish, just like that. Kind of spread them out a little bit. And then we're going to do honey mustard. Yes, honey mustard. Look at that. And that's how it is. Now let's give this bad boy a try, because I'm telling you, man, it looks really good. So here it is. Bacon Wrapped Brats. This is hot. My God, it's so good. Having that bacon, because I've had brats, this is my first time ever having bacon on brats. And it's not going to be the last. remember, guys, bacon wrapped brats, you can't go wrong. They were pretty simple. I was worried that maybe I had to cook the bacon first. My wife even said, cook the bacon first. I was like, no. I watched videos. Nope, just wrap the bacon in there, put it there for 250, and then crank it up if you want your bacon crispy. If you don't want your bacon crispy, then that's fine. Leave it at 250. When it gets up to 160 internal temp, bring them out. Bring them out. So, now, if you guys like what you see today, be a pal and hit that subscribe button, hit that like, because more content is coming. A lot of great ideas coming out. So, we'll see you guys next time.